Hey, it's Monday, January 17th. Starting the job down here at Gilley's. This is their north parking lot we're redoing. Help them get ready for the crowds they expect at the Super Bowl weekend. You can see we're working just right south of downtown Dallas. And what we're doing, I said the other day, this is one of our specialties. We're taking an old parking lot in need of a lot of repair, and we're grinding it up, pulverizing it, added Portland cement for stabilization, and then we are compacting it and grading it and getting it ready to apply the asphalt to the top. Alright, here we are over at the across the street at the east lot, and show you what we've done here in the last 24 hours. As I told you yesterday, we cement stabilized this piece here to the right. You can see our big padded sheep's foot roller compacting the base. This is the flex base that we'd hauled in yesterday. Have our track loader spreading it into that area in the center where they're all that was dirt, and we've excavated out the dirt. Now we're using the track loader to push flex base in it, and we'll start compacting that area. We're sweeping the old asphalt that they wanted to leave in place to overlay. Hey, good afternoon. This is Sam Garrett. I'm the owner of Advanced Paving. I realize I've been doing these videos for the past week, and I hadn't gotten around to telling you to introduce myself yet. I'm the owner of Advanced Paving, and I'm so glad now we've discovered this new technology to share our jobs with you, give you a good idea of what kind of work we do and how we spend our days. This is the Gilley's lot that I showed you yesterday. This is the north lot. As you can see, we've gotten it ready to pave. This lot, as you saw that old beat up asphalt yesterday, we were pulverizing it. We cement stabilized it. And now we got a great base, a wearing surface here to put the asphalt on. Up a little concrete removal at the end of the lot, and we're going to put in the flex base in that section, and we'll be ready to go. But you can see how hard this is, how smooth this surface is. It'll be great. Put a couple of inches of asphalt on this, and have a great parking lot here for the owners of Gilley's.